how to add hashtags on Threads post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to add hashtags to your post on Instagram Threads to reach more people and increase your engagement. So let's dive right in. Open up the Threads app. Make sure that you're logged in into your account and then tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to start a new Threads post. Now, to add a hashtag, you need to go to the 1, 2, 3 option on your keyboard and then go to the hashtags option and tap on the hash. And you can just type the keyword that you want to. I want to put travel. So I'll just tap on it and you can see how many people have used the hashtags. You can just tap on it and then you can use the hashtag. So similarly, you can add multiple hashtags. Just put in hash and then put in the relevant hashtag. So like this, just keep on adding hashtags of your choice. And then you can also add other captions or photos or just put in a relevant post to help others discover it. And then just hit post at the bottom right. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Thank you for watching.